Hi, please check updates on financial account sharing functionality. We have done the modifications in code which will be work for existing as well as new records for financial sharing. Before starting our demo, we have just checking. Today we have not created any financial accounts. I have made the one query. After the hitting of refresh button, look here. No any records created today. Now using the data loader, we will insert the multiple records financial accounts. I have created one sheet CSV file for inserting bulk records. In that sheet, we have added the 910 records. After I have created one existing mapping. Look here. Now I am inserting all records. Look here, we have successfully inserted 910 records. Now we are scheduling our job. Our job, this is the cron expression which is useful to schedule the job. Our batch will be executed after the 10 minutes of scheduling. I am executing the code. Look here, our batch is scheduled. All scheduled jobs in all scheduled jobs financial account sharing batch, and look here, in our batch is in queue. Now we are again inserting after the scheduling the records. Again we are using data loader inserting same another 910 records. Look here, we have successfully inserted 910 records. Now we are checking our batch is executed or in queued. Our batch is in queue. We have submitted it on 1:30, so we need to wait up to 7 to 8 minutes. Look here, our job is now in queue. Also make sure our trigger is deactivated, which is for the financial account trigger. I forgot to inform in our previous video. You can deactivate the trigger using the custom metadata type. In that, we have created the trigger configuration custom object. In that manage trigger configuration, there is one record for financial account trigger. After clicking on edit, look here, the checkbox is unselected. Uh, Using this custom meta, we can activate or deactivate the trigger. Look here, now our batch is processing. Total batches is 14. We have checked here how many records are inserted. Today's count is 1820, which means before before batch scheduling we have insert 910, after the scheduling we have inserted 910, and total is 1820. We have some find the some three records for before batch started, and some for the after the batch started. Once our batch is executed, we will check the sharing. Look here, some records are got worked. Also, its household have same sharing. Aaron, Ida, Epicenter. Look here, Aaron, Ida for this record. We have make page those records which are recently created. That's why these all records got shared in very first batch. Look here, our total batches is 14 because we have selected all records of financial accounts which are not shared. After the execution of the first batch, trigger batch will be scheduled for next 15 minutes. After the next 15 minutes, batch will be started again. Also, we have checked here. This is the main account, household account. This is the related account, related financial account for the household account. This sharing and main account sharing is exact. Also, access read write, read only, and full access, read write, read only, and full access for account. Look here, account, and for financial access level is same. Thanks.